Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And a USB mouse is not working, so how to resolve these issues? Okay guys, firstly Windows R and type CMD. Okay, then guys type msdt dot exe space slash id device diagnostic, and enter. Okay, so this service now it is I disable, so you enable and then next click to troubleshoot your. Okay, then closing. Now guys, restart. Click open the file manager, right, this is right click and click to show more, and then click to manage. And then guys, wait some minutes. Then click to device manager. Mouse right click to update. Okay, then close. Again right click to properties, response, event. Okay, then click to, you can uninstall driver that you want to, and then click, and then click to scan hardware changes. Okay, now this is net options, and guys, click to start button, type control panel, open, and please uninstall latest update, view category, uninstall, view update, then uninstall last update, security update uninstall. Okay, then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc slash scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth command also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.